Making magnets. There are several methods of making magnets. Let us learn the simplest one. Take a rectangular piece of iron. Place it on the table.
Now take a bar magnet and place one of its poles near one edge of the bar of iron.
Without lifting the bar magnet, move it along the length of the iron bar till you reach the other end. Now lift the magnet and bring the pole to the same point of the iron bar from which you started. Move the magnet again along the iron bar in the same direction as you did before. Repeat this process about 30 to 40 times. Now bring a pin or some iron filings near the iron bar to check whether it has become a magnet. If not, continue the process for some time. Care of magnets. A magnet loses its magnetism if it is hammered or if it falls from a height. Heating the magnet above a certain temperature also demagnetizes it. Magnets tend to become weaker after some time if their poles are left free. This is called self-demagnetization. To avoid this, bar magnets are kept in pairs, separated by a piece of wood, with unlike poles alongside each other. Pieces of iron called keeper are placed across both ends. A horseshoe magnet needs one keeper across its poles.